In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export for free in Genspark AI. If you've created something in the Genspark AI document generator and you're ready to save a copy, the good news is that exporting text files can be done for free. This is especially useful if you want to keep a version on your computer, share it with someone else, or continue editing it in another program later. To begin, look at the export options available inside the Genspark AI document generator. For text-based documents, free export formats typically include docx, Markdown, and HTML. Each format has a different purpose, so it helps to choose the one that fits what you need. Docx is a good option if you want to open and edit the file in a word processor. Markdown is useful if you prefer clean, lightweight formatting, especially for notes or web publishing. HTML is a solid choice if you want a web-ready version of your content. Once you've decided on the format you want, go to the top bar and click Export. This is where Genspark lets you generate the file for download. After selecting your preferred text format, download the file directly to your hard drive. Make sure you save it somewhere easy to find, such as your Downloads folder or a specific project folder, so you don't have to search for it later. That's really all there is to it. The process is quick, simple, and doesn't require a paid upgrade for these text export options. If you plan to keep working on the document, it's a good idea to choose the format based on where you'll use it next. And if you want an extra layer of organization, rename the file right after downloading it so it's easier to identify later. That's how to export for free in Genspark AI.